Welcome to the Matter Quiz. This video features 10 questions covering states of matter, mass, and volume. Question 1. What is matter? Is it anything that has color? Anything that has mass and occupies space? Anything that can be seen? Or anything that can be touched? Think carefully. Question 1. What is matter? Is it anything that has color? Anything that has mass and occupies space? Anything that can be seen? Or anything that can be touched? Think carefully. The correct answer is B. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Question 2. Which of the following is not a state of matter? Is it solid, liquid, plasma, or gas? The correct answer is C, plasma. Question 3. A solid has a blank shape and a blank volume. Which is the right answer? The correct answer is A. Solids keep their shape and volume, so they have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Question 4. Which property of a liquid is correct? Choose from the 4 options listed, considering shape and volume. The correct answer is C. Liquids have no fixed shape because they take the shape of the container, but their volume stays the same, so they have a fixed volume. Question 5. Air is an example of which state of matter? Is it solid, liquid, gas, or is it not matter? The correct answer is C, gas. Air has mass and occupies space, making it a form of matter, specifically a gas. Question 6. Which instrument is used to measure the mass of an object? Is it a ruler, a measuring cylinder, a thermometer, or a balance? The correct answer is D. A balance, such as a beam balance, is the instrument used to measure mass. Question 7. Which apparatus is used to measure the volume of a liquid? Is it a thermometer, a measuring cylinder, a balance, or a spring balance? The correct answer is B. A measuring cylinder is the apparatus used to measure the volume of a liquid. Question 8 of 10. A gas has blank shape and blank volume. Choose from the 4 possible combinations. The correct answer is D. A gas has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. The key concept is that gas spreads to fill any container. Question 9. Stone, water, and smoke. Match each to its state of matter. Which option correctly lists their states in order? The correct answer is A. Solid, liquid, gas. Stone is a solid, water is a liquid, and smoke is a gas. Question 10, the final question. Which statement about matter is true? Select the statement that accurately defines matter. The correct statement is C. All matter has mass and takes up space. All three states, solid, liquid, and gas, are matter. The matter quiz is now complete. Well done, scientists!